Peacock. Peafowl is a common name for three bird species in the genera Pavo and Afropavo of the family Phasianidae, the pheasants and their allies. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks, and female peafowl are referred to as peahens, even though peafowl of either sex are often referred to colloquially as peacocks. The two Asiatic species are the blue or Indian peafowl, originally of the Indian subcontinent, and the green peafowl of Southeast Asia. The one African species is the Congo peafowl, native only to the Congo Basin. Male peafowl are known for their piercing calls and their extravagant plumage. The Indian peacock has iridescent blue and green plumage, mostly metallic blue and green, but the green peacock has green and bronze body feathers. In both species, females are a little smaller than males in terms of weight and wingspan, but males are significantly longer due to the tail, also known as a train. The peacock train consists not of tail quill feathers, but highly elongated upper tail covers. These feathers are marked with eye spots, best seen when a peacock fans his tail. Both sexes of all species have a crest atop the head. The Indian peahen has a mixture of dull gray, brown, and green in her plumage. The female also displays her plumage to ward off female competition or signal danger to her young. Hybrids between Indian peafowl and green peafowl are called spaldings, after the first person to successfully hybridize them, Mrs. Keith Spalding. Unlike many hybrids, spaldings are fertile and generally benefit from hybrid vigor. Spaldings with a high green phenotype do much better in cold temperatures than the cold-intolerant green peafowl while still looking like their green parents. Plumage varies between individual spaldings, with some looking far more like green peafowl and some looking far more like blue peafowl, though most visually carry traits of both. In addition to the wild-type blue coloration, several hundred variations in color and pattern are recognized as separate morphs of the Indian blue among peafowl breeders. Pattern variations include solid wing/black shoulder, pied, white eye, and silver pied. Color variations include white, purple, Buford bronze, opal, midnight, charcoal, jade, and taupe, as well as the sex-linked colors purple, cameo, peach, and Sonia's violetta. Additional color and pattern variations are first approved by the United Peafowl Association to become officially recognized as a morph among breeders. Alternately colored peafowl are born differently colored than wild-type peafowl, and though each color is recognizable at hatch, their peachick plumage does not necessarily match their adult plumage. Occasionally, peafowl appear with white plumage. Although albino peafowl do exist, this is quite rare, and almost all white peafowl are not albinos. Sexual selection is the ability of male and female organisms to exert selective forces on each other with regard to mating activity. 8. The strongest driver of sexual selection is gamete size. In general, eggs are bigger than sperm, and females produce fewer gametes than males. This leads to eggs being a bigger investment, so to females being choosy about the traits that will be passed on to her offspring by males. The peahen's reproductive success and the likelihood of survival of her chicks is partly dependent on the genotype of the mate. 9. Females generally have more to lose when mating with an inferior male due to her gametes being more costly than the males.